Men over 60, there are 3 fruits silently destroying your testosterone. Fast, quiet, without warning. Every bite drains your strength, your energy, your manhood. You probably think you're eating healthy. You think fruit always means good for you. But science says that's not always true. And if you're over 60, the stakes are even higher. Today, I'm going to expose the 3 most dangerous fruits for your testosterone and tell you what to eat instead to keep your strength, your drive, and your life. Stay to the end, because the 3rd fruit is the deadliest testosterone killer of them all, and I can almost guarantee you've eaten it this month. After 60, testosterone naturally drops every single year, about 1% annually on average. But some men lose it much faster. And when that happens, you see it. The belly starts to hang over the belt. The morning energy disappears. Even mowing the lawn feels like work. Confidence in the bedroom fades. In the United States, our diet is loaded with foods, and yes, even fruits, that accelerate this decline 3 to 5 times faster. And the worst part? They're sold as healthy choices. You'll find them in supermarkets, juice bars, airport kiosks, Whole Foods, Costco, even in so-called heart-healthy snack packs at gas stations. Joe, 66 from Florida, started every morning for 15 years with a tall glass of orange juice. He thought he was doing the right thing. Vitamin C, low fat, natural sugar. But over the years, his waistline grew, his energy crashed by mid-afternoon, and he had trouble sleeping. When his doctor finally ran a hormone panel, his testosterone was down to the levels you'd expect in a man in his late 70s. Oranges, sweet tangerines, even healthy morning grapefruit juice. Naringin, a natural compound in citrus, can interfere with liver enzymes that process hormones. High fructose content spikes blood sugar, triggering a cortisol release. And cortisol is the testosterone killer. It's like flipping your hormone switch to off. Drink that juice on an empty stomach and you create the perfect storm. High sugar, cortisol spike, testosterone crash, day after day, year after year. That healthy morning glass of orange juice? It's not health. It's a slow-motion hormonal crash in a cup. Think about the last time you stayed at a hotel with a breakfast buffet. The juice dispensers are front and center, bright colors, freshly squeezed labels. But what you don't see is the 25 grams of sugar in that cup, the same as drinking a can of Coke before 9 a.m. If you need vitamin C in the morning, choose kiwi. Half the sugar, double the nutrients. Or berries. Low glycemic, high in antioxidants. Mike, 63, from Texas, worked in real estate. Long drives, open houses, client meetings. His go-to snack? A handful of grapes or a small box of raisins from the gas station. Mike thought, better than chips, better than candy. But within 5 years, he'd gained 20 pounds, felt constant afternoon fatigue, and noticed a serious drop in his strength at the gym. Grapes have one of the highest glycemic loads among fruits. Raisins? They're just grapes with all the water removed. Concentrated fructose bombs. That concentrated sugar overloads your liver, triggers insulin spikes, and lowers testosterone production. You think a handful of raisins is heart healthy. For your hormones, it's gasoline on the fire. Check any American grocery store snack aisle. Little raisin boxes, trail mixes loaded with dried fruit. Marketed to parents, hikers, professionals. But for men over 60 with slowing metabolism, it's a perfect recipe for low T and stubborn belly fat. If you want a portable snack, go for almonds or walnuts for healthy fats, or cucumber slices with a pinch of sea salt. Tom, 68, retired Navy, living in California. Every afternoon, he blended a tropical smoothie, frozen mango, pineapple, a little yogurt. He figured, it's fruit, it's natural, it's healthy. But over time, Tom noticed his muscle mass shrinking, recovery from workouts taking longer, libido not what it used to be. Blood work showed low testosterone and low DHT, the form of testosterone that fuels male vitality. Mango is loaded with sugar, up to 45 grams in one fruit. That's more than a Hershey's chocolate bar. It causes an immediate insulin surge, shutting down testosterone production. Too much beta-carotene from mango can suppress DHT, the very hormone that keeps men strong, focused, and confident. You eat sunshine, but your hormones fall into darkness. Do you wake up tired, even after a full night's sleep? Is your belly bigger than it was 5 years ago? Have you lost muscle without changing your workouts? Is your interest in life, hobbies, relationships, intimacy, fading? If 2 or more of these are true, these fruits may be part of the problem. In younger years, your body can buffer the damage. But after 60, muscle mass is lower, sugar hits your bloodstream faster, the liver processes fructose less efficiently, insulin sensitivity drops. The standard American diet, already loaded with hidden sugars, in bread, sauces, even healthy yogurt. Myth: fruit can't hurt you. It's natural. Truth: dose matters. A whole mango is not the same as a handful of berries. Myth: fruit juice is healthy. Truth: juice removes fiber and delivers sugar straight into your blood, faster than soda. Instead of citrus juice, choose kiwi, strawberries, or water with lemon slice. Instead of grapes/raisins, choose nuts, celery sticks, or cheese cubes. Instead of mango, choose avocado, blueberries, or unsweetened coconut. John, 62, Ohio, cut out orange juice, replaced with water and berries. Lost 12 pounds in 3 months. Testosterone up 18%. Rick, 67, Arizona, stopped eating raisins, switched to almonds. Afternoon crash is gone, strength returned. Luis, 64, California, replaced mango smoothies with avocado shakes. Energy and libido improved. This isn't about never touching these fruits again. It's about understanding limits and how your body changes with age. After 60, every nutrition choice is an investment in strength, clarity, and independence. For the next 30 days, cut these 3 fruits entirely. Replace with the swaps I gave you. Track your energy, mood, and waistline. You may be shocked at how much changes and how fast. Your testosterone is your strength, your confidence, your identity as a man. Don't trade it for an orange, a handful of raisins, or a slice of mango. Make the choice today and take back your second youth.